Home loans made simple. That's the RichmondCustomHomes.com difference. If you own a home and need access to funds, a cash-out refinance could be a smart option. This loan replaces your current mortgage with a new, larger loan, and the difference is paid to you in cash. The money can be used for home improvements, debt consolidation, education costs, or other major expenses. Approval usually depends on your home equity, credit score, income, and debt-to-income ratio. The more equity you have, the more borrowing power you may have. A cash-out refinance can also be helpful if you secure a better loan term or organize high-interest debt into one payment. However, because your home is used as collateral, it's important to borrow responsibly and understand the long-term cost. Closing costs and interest rates should also be reviewed before deciding. When used wisely, turning equity into cash can create financial flexibility and help you reach important goals. For more info, Duane Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 11106478042128663, Duane at coast2coastmall.com, and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.